what's going on, y'all? I wanted to give y'all a little quick update on this profile I was creating for myself here. I added another authorized user on here, so I wanted to, show y'all, that the scores have changed. We got quite a few of them. It actually did pretty good. It went up, and I'm quite sure it dropped again because we closed the line out on it. I did another video previous to this, and I uploaded, but I took it down because it had some other stuff on there, and I couldn't edit it, so it wasn't working. So I got to redo this over. I apologize. I know maybe a few of y'all seen it, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I want y'all to still see this the same information we've been using and everything else. So I want to show y'all something that I didn't show y'all the last time, which was the LexisNexis report, because everybody said they can do this and do that, but they don't really show you. So I had to blur this out. This is why I had to edit it, because I couldn't actually blur out the last few numbers of my number. Even though I put it in the other one, I still blurred it out, and all my other information was on there. And people gonna be people, so I had to blur it out. But this is a real LexisNexis report. Anybody that's familiar with this or have ever had a LexisNexis report can vouch and verify this. I'm not going to be able to move up and down this because I got this open. If I close this, it's going to reveal all of this information, so I can't do that. But as you can see, all of this information here is still the same. This here, my number is still the same. Nothing has changed on this. This is an instant ID Q&A. It gives you the full breakdown of everything on this report. It tells you when the number was issued, which is right here, and we'll verify that with the file and everything else. Everything else is good though. So I just wanted to let you know that just because somebody says they can do something doesn't mean they can do it. So people say, oh, I got LexisNexis and this, but if they can't send you a report and show you that the number is issued when it's supposed to be, and if you've already set it up, it'll have your information on there. But if it's a new number and you get a scan, it shouldn't come back with anything but maybe a few random addresses, which is normal with a LexisNexis report. So that's the report. This is my email. Everybody know my name, so there it is right there. Here's my email right here. This was sent to me from my partner. This was in response to an email, so this is why that's up there. But who it came from is right here, which is one of my business associates, Cassie. She does my LexisNexis scans for me. She's a very valued business partner of mine. So we're gonna go over here to my credit report. Now, the other day when I checked my scores, it was halfway decent. So I'm hoping, that everything else is still in good shape here. So I'm gonna log in here. I should have logged in. I guess I was idle too long. Let's see. So when I checked it, it went 756, and then it went up to 768. The line came off. So I haven't checked in 3 days, so I'm not sure what my scores are. I'm hoping they shouldn't be that low, but it's still gonna be in the sevens. But we'll see here in 1 second. I'm hoping, because I don't want to lose. Oh, Jesus Christ. See, I lost 53 points because of that account that closed. It was a chase line that was on here, which is not bad. I'm still okay. But I'm not going to do another video until I add these primaries. So I'm in the process of doing that right now. My score took a hit here. You'll see the line that closed out. It was a chase, and if I can do it real quick, I'll show you the previous credit report. See, this line closed, and this really hurt. So that was a lot of credit history loss right there. This thing was 14 years, 6 months old. Fell off a lot of people's, but it was operator error on the card holder. He had too many people on there and didn't take them off in time. But he was new to this, and he didn't know no better, so we're not faulting him for that because, of course, they post. So Unfortunately, it closed though. So, all right. Let's see if I can get to a older credit report here. I'm gonna try to do this because I really don't use this too much. I use this, to like do credit pulls or whatever and things like that. But to actually use it, I don't use it. Okay, let's see if we can go to oh, I think I remember where it is. All right, let's see. Credit report is here. Ooh, scroll down too fast there. Okay, let's go up here. Okay, credit report. I think it's under credit changes. Would allow me to view the older credit reports. Okay, past credit report. This will show you the previous credit I had. I'm hoping. This is the old model of Credit Karma. Let's see. Well, there's my information. Here's the address here, the same one as in the last videos I did. These come from adding authorized user lines. Of course, the addresses are going to show up on the credit reports from time to time. You can get those off, but it's not really going to make too much of a difference. Recent address change recently opened. Public records. Let's see. Jump to the next stages. I really don't like Credit Karma. I don't. Well, you know what? Let's see. There's another way to do this. It should show just in the bar actually where the credit score went up then down. So that probably would make more sense. That way we can just verify that. Okay, so all right, here we go. 710. I was at 692. It went up 764. See, I went up and I was good. And then that's when the line fell off because it closed. I think finally it closed out on the 10th. And then it dropped me back down to this today, which is a big loss here. But I'm not worried about it. As long as I'm over 7, I'm good. But we're going to add some primaries on here. We're in the process of testing them now. So once I see it on there, these will go up, and then we'll do some more, some more verifications. The other thing that I wanted to explain is that authorized users are good, and you'll get approved for certain things, small things where they don't do like hard credit checks. And what I mean by hard is that they're pulling the entire credit report, which means basically it's just based off of your credit score. And most of those places are usually via TransUnion. But now in order to get big approvals, you have to have primaries. It doesn't matter if it's a few months old or 10 years old. If you're trying to get vehicle or a good brand new car like a Lexus or something like that, you got to have primaries. If you want high limit credit cards, you got to have primaries. Any major purchases, you are going to have primaries. And I don't want to mislead nobody and tell them that just because you got this credit score here and all of this, that you're going to qualify to go and get 2 brand new trucks for your business, or you can PG this or anything like that, because that's not reality. You still have to have primaries. The difference in our numbers are that they don't get flagged because we run them through LexisNexis and they really match your age and birthday. And so, but if the numbers are no good, you're going to get flagged. The rules still apply here. You still have to do the same thing. You still have to merge it. You still got to add your lines. You still got to do your public records. None of that stuff has changed. Only thing that's changed is that the algorithm of the numbers and the way we're able to create them. That's it. With that being said, you have to be able to add primaries. If you got a good source, use them. You don't have to go through us. It's fine. Just make sure you know what you're doing. Look out for the red flags and all the other hoopla. We all know what it is. A lot of people already know most of the people that are out here in the same arena that are good people and bad. So it's really no ifs, ands, or buts. You have to have primaries. You can't do it without this. Now, I can easily go apply for something, just based on this. you know. And like if I wanted to go rent a house, go get some phones or something like that, my utilities, maybe a couple small little credit cards, but major purchases, no. That now, I mean, it's a possibility you can slide through the crack, but I'm not a risk taker like that, you know. And that's, you know, having unnecessary inquiries on your credit report, and then once you get it built up, and then you're you got so many that you can't do nothing because you've inquired. It looks like you're desperate for credit, and you don't want to do that. You know, that's why you don't do hard pulls. You do soft pulls. That way you can get things to get done without having all these extra inquiries on here. And to be honest with you, I don't even know I got two. You know, but I'll look into that a little later. You know, we'll worry about that another time. But the other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to show y'all this information to show you that it's still the same and nothing's changed. You know, so we did this a little few seconds ago, but I just want to reiterate here that nothing's changed. This is the same thing here. Wimbledon, my name, the whole nine. Same thing that we got here on the credit report and on the Lex. Here's Wimbledon. There's that. Um, Nothing else. There you have it, LexisNexis. And then I'm gonna show you guys the file that I did it on, so that way you guys will know exactly that we're not, you know, we're doing the same thing here. So I'm gonna switch screens and just show you my file real quick, the same one that we did before, so you can see exactly what we were doing here. All right, so here is the same information, nothing's changed. My address and everything else is still the same. So this coincides with everything else I just showed you guys. Nothing's changed here. Here's my address. Here's my name. Here's the same number and everything else. So I just want to end this letting you guys know that we're going to do this. And once I get the lines posted on there and everything else, we're going to do some apps. And I'm going to show you exactly what's going to get done and how you do it. I got a file now, but I didn't want to do them because we started with this and I didn't want to switch it up, and that seemed a little faulty to me. So what I'm going to do is we're going to finish this out. And then once we finish this out, y'all will see it. And I really truly believe that once you guys see that that these primaries posts and everything else, I truly believe this is go viral and we all gonna win financially, because that's the goal here. You know, because outside of that, it really ain't nothing else. I'm in this to make money, you in this to make money. And we gonna make money. So when you win, I win. So I just want to let you know to build these right. You gotta have primaries. We gonna have them in a second. I'm gonna give myself maybe another 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll have them. I got some now, but I don't want to use them because they're not reporting to R3. I want to use the ones that are reporting to R3. That way we all the way across the board, no issues, no nothing or anything else. So with that being said, I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate you. I appreciate the support. Give me some thumbs up. Don't be hating on me. Don't be pushing no thumbs down or none of that stuff. Subscribe, you know, comment on the videos or whatever. And if you need something, everybody, you know, email me or text me. Doesn't matter. Everybody knows my number, 248-499-2422. That's my number right there. So all you gotta do is hit that number, and that's it. That's it right there. So until the next time, be safe, get your money, let's build this wealth, and that's it. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, thanks.